Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to use copy trade EA. Okay, for example, you have already running, you have been running a source ED. So this is example, your source EA. The magic number is 100, for example. Okay, this is your source EA, and this is copy trade. You can open the chart, any time frame is okay. Then just please attach the EA on the chart. EA copy trade. Yeah, this one. Okay, just attach EA. Then you also need indicator, copy trade indicator. This has to be on the source EA. So now your source EA magic number is 100. So okay, you need to have a same magic number on your source EA 100. So when you attach this indicator here, please make the same magic number of your source EA 100. So this indicator will generate the order information in your PC. So this copy trade EA will read that file and place the order. Let me test. Okay. Now wait for some time. So your source EA will place order soon. Let me say this is interbar. Okay, your source EA have an order, and this copy trade EA make a copy order. Lot size is 0.08, which is input in your parameter setting. Okay, this is the order comment, copy of source EA. This is the order number. Okay, please make sure that your indicator on your source EA has the same magic number of your original source EA magic number. Okay, let me test again. For example, if you want same lot size from original source EA, you can just change parameter here, copy lot size true. So that means, okay, this is lot size is 0.01, so copy EA has the same lot size 0.01. Source EA and this copy EA. If you want to change the magic lot size, just make it false and change your desired size. So this original EA has 0.01 lot size and the copy EA has 0.1 lot size. Okay, that's how to use. Please try.